സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെന്റ് ടെസ്റ്റിന്റെ 50 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളുമാണ് നൽകിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇതിനു മുമ്പത്തെ വീഡിയോയിൽ 50 ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഉത്തരങ്ങളും നൽകിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. 5 പ്രാവശ്യമെങ്കിലും ഈ വീഡിയോ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ഓരോ വീഡിയോയിൽ നിന്നും 20 ചോദ്യങ്ങളെങ്കിലും സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. അത് നോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് വയ്ക്കണം. 500 ചോദ്യങ്ങളിൽ നിന്ന് 200 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് 50 ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ ഉറപ്പായും പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കും. ശരിയെന്ന് തോന്നുന്ന ഉത്തരം മാത്രം രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ആദ്യ പ്രാവശ്യം തന്നെ വിജയിക്കാൻ കഴിയും. ഓൺലൈൻ എക്സാം എഴുതുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയെന്നുള്ള വീഡിയോ ഇതിന്റെ താഴത്തെ ലിങ്കിൽ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അത് ഓപ്പൺ ചെയ്ത് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. ഓഫീസർ in charge of department hostel and tourist bungalow under tourism department are authorized to accept rupees travelers check for certain banks. In the following, which bank is included in the list? Answer: Bank of Baroda. Question number 202. Excess amount found in the cash book should be credited to the revenue deposit pending enquiries. The sanctioning authority for refund of the deposit is. Answer: the Treasury Director. Whenever a drawing officer signs fully vouchered contingent bill for submission in Treasury, he should endorse the word dash on each sub-voucher. Cancelled. Question number 205. The recovered amount as per prohibitory order of a court shall be remitted to court by. Answer: cash. Question number 205. A drawing officer receiver a complaint that the check drawn by him has been lost. What action? Answer: request to Treasury officer to stop payment. Question number 206. A check received at a treasury should be treated as final payment. Answer: after amount has been actually credited to government. Question number 207. Preservation period of register of payment of interest on promissory notes. Answer: 10 years. Question number 208. Unused check leaves surrendered at district treasury shall be destroyed in the presence of. Answer: Deputy Director of Treasuries. Question number 209. Alteration memorandum prepared by Treasury officer should be sent to. Answer: Accountant General. Question number 210. Preservation period of transfer of charge certificate. Answer: 3 years. Question number 211. What is posted in register in the form TA1? Answer: receipt. Question number 212. Transactions occurring as subtreasury should be reported to district in a daily sheet in form number TS7. Question number 213. Receipt issued for check received in which form? Answer: TR6. Question number 214. Who is the authority of issuing pension payment order? Answer: Accountant General. Question number 215. Cash properly found on the person of a pensioner at the time of his admission to jail should be. Answer: deposited in Treasury. Question number 216. House building advance claimed in the bill of. Answer: TR42. Question number 217. Which is the pension given in consideration of post service under Government of India or state? Answer: service pension. Question number 218. The bulk of stock of adhesive stamps and stamped papers kept in. Answer, double lock strong room. Question number 219. The currency chest balance consists of. Answer, notes not in circulation. Question number 220. The Reserve Bank of India shall not entertain demand for refund of. Answer, stolen note. Question number 221. State transactions erroneously entered in bank's daily statement, transactions of central government and vice versa, should be entered in the register. Answer, TA 6. Question number 222. What is known as main store? Important question ആണ്. Answer, bulk of stationary cash balance. Question number 223. Strong room is finally closed for the day by. Answer, treasury officer and chief treasurer. Question number 224. What contained in form number TR52 attached by the drawing officer with establishment bill? Answer, absentee's statement. Question number 225. Arrear bill shall be drawn on. Answer, separate bill. Question number 226. Money contained in cash chest deposited by other officer for safe custody is treated as. Important question ആണ്. Anamat. Question number 227. Treasury officer has authority to make payments by or under the rule. Answer, Kerala Treasury Code. Question number 228. Currency chest book maintained in which form? Answer, TR37. ഈ TRും KTCയുടെയും ഫോം നമ്പറുകൾ പുസ്തകം നോക്കി നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. Question number 229. Treasury officer repay the civil court deposit on the order of. Answer, civil court. Question number 230. Treasury officer shall correct one of the following error in the bill presented to find out. Answer, arithmetical error. ഈ question important ആണ്. Question number 231. Service pension should be mustered once in. Answer, 3 years. ഈ questionും important ആണ്. Question number 232. Application for closure of savings bank account of a minor depositor or attaining of age 18 is countersigned by dash. Answer, guardian. Question number 233. At the end of month, plus and minus memorandum is sent to. ഈ question important ആണ്. Answer, accountant general. Question number 234. Treasuries are classified into two, namely. Answer, banking treasury and non-banking treasury. ഈ questionും ഏറ്റവും important ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒന്നാണ്. Question number 235. Bill and other documents presented in treasury for payments shall be received and scrutinized by dash. Answer, accounts department. Question number 236. From sales proceeds of lottery tickets and district lottery officer can utilize for payment of prize money up to rupees 5,000. Question number 237. Bill for miscellaneous payments. Answer, TR42. ഈ TR42 അല്ലെങ്കിൽ TR ഫോംസ് മുഴുക്കയും പുസ്തകത്തിലുണ്ട്. പുസ്തകത്തിൽ നിന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് എഴുതാവുന്നതേ ഉള്ളൂ. 4 ഫോം തരുന്നുണ്ട്. 4 ഫോമും പെട്ടെന്ന് പുസ്തകത്തിൽ നോക്കി ഏതാണെന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ച് മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യാവുന്നതാണ്. Question number 238. How much the penalty for getting duplicate copy of pension payment order? Answer, rupees 10. Question number 239. If the treasury padlock is out of order, what action is taken by the treasury officer? Answer, padlock is sent to regional workshop. Question number 240. Payment order shall be signed how? Answer, signed by head office. Question number 241. The authority to issue 1 rupee note. Answer, central government. Question number 242. Appropriation control register maintained in. Answer, form number TR 110. Question number 243. Treasury officer may, on application made by pensioner, transfer the pension to another treasury and intimate it to. Answer, accountant general. E question important ആണ്. Question number 244. The sub-treasury officer shall verify the cash balance in the sub-treasury at least. Answer, twice a month. ഏറ്റവും ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണിത്. Question number 245. All adjustments against the balance of the state by debt or credit to other government be made through Central Accounts section of. Answer, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 246. Treasury officer of non-banking treasuries should forward a weekly cash balance report to. Answer, Director of Treasuries. Question number 247. Gazetted officers are authorized to draw salary professionally without pay slip for a period of. Answer, 3 months. Important question ആണ്. Question number 248. On ways and means advance. Answer, interest is debited against government at the time of refund. Question number 249. The documents issued under any special order of the government permitting a drawing officer specifying the maximum amount that can be credited is called. Answer, letter of credit. Important question ആണിത്. Next question 250. When AG disallows a payment as authorized the treasury officer. Answer, installments of recovery are allowed. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ആൻസറും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുകയും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്യുക. ഇതുപോലെ 500 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകൾ ഈ വീഡിയോയിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നതാണ്.